6 weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Hopefully we've got our computer problems worked out here, and here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. Again, we start with the heat advisory till 7 o'clock tonight. Hot, yes, but not as hot as it was yesterday. Here's a look at the temperatures, and by golly, 84 degrees on the seawater temperature right there, so that's up 1 from yesterday. The temperatures around the region look like this, ranging from 84 in Port Aransas to 100 degrees in Hebbronville. 16 degrees difference across our viewing area and the coastal bend. The feel-like temperatures vary widely, and it looks like as high as 111 in Orange Grove. We're down to 104 here, 106 at the Naval Air Station. Just depends on where those clouds were today. Here's our short-term forecast. Again, we're hovering near 90 now. We'll drop to the low 80s to near 80 degrees around midnight with very light winds. This will put us back in the mid-70s here overnight. The looping Doppler radar shows again a couple stray showers we talked about yesterday. 5 o'clock, I mentioned the one between Goliad and Beeville. That has since dissipated. Another heavy storm out here west of Tilden is pushing southwest out of the region, and there are a few showers out here in the Gulf. But again, everything working from north to south with the upper level winds, because the upper level high has backed out of the region. That's why it was not as hot today. But there is a pretty heavy storm up there around Tilden in McMullen County, and again stretching back towards Cotulla. Here's the satellite depiction, and it is these clouds that held our temperatures down today, and we're 8 degrees less than it was yesterday, but it was still hot. And now we are breaking out into sunshine here in Corpus Christi with a few more high clouds up to the north. This is not an actual frontal system. The actual front is up in central Texas and is in the process of dissipating. And all of that shower and thunderstorm activity in the north central Gulf yesterday has moved into the western Gulf and is now pushing south as that ridge of high pressure backs off to the north. So we have this little front across the Great Lakes area that's pushing southeast with some lovely weather for the folks there. In the meantime, high pressure is going to continue to dominate our weather in the upper atmosphere and just be off to the west of us. So again, that keeps us from getting any meaningful rain while there's a big drop in the jet stream in the southeast and then a big turnaround up the east coast, and that's causing severe weather in the Appalachian states. That low lifts out while high pressure in the upper atmosphere continues to dominate our weather and be situated just out to the west, so that gives us a light northerly flow. That's what's causing the clouds to move from north to south across our region right now. That high will stay in that position all the way through Sunday and into early next week. So very little change in our hot, mainly dry weather pattern with the exception of a lonely shower. All right, tomorrow we're looking at more sunshine than today, so temperatures are going to be hot again and then some. And then on Thursday, full sunshine and temperatures go even higher. And Friday, while there might be a few showers in the Gulf, it stays hot and dry here. The winds, they look like this across the region, and will be nearly calm in the morning with just a light breeze in the afternoon out of the east at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Very light winds again on Thursday morning, and then Thursday afternoon, light out of the east. So not a lot happening in the wind department. It's a good thing those junior national sailboard championships and the sailing championships, I should say, last week were held then and not this week with these light winds across the region. So hot tomorrow, mid-90s, stifling heat indices only 105 to 115, certainly in the danger zone. East to southeast winds 6 to 12. Highs tomorrow look like this, ranging from 88 in Port Aransas to 105 in Freer. We'll see about 94 here with a heat index of 113. So you really want to exercise all the necessary precautions. And here is a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. 76 tonight, 94 tomorrow, 73 with those calm winds on Thursday morning, 96 on Thursday afternoon, 95 for Friday, and 96 to 95 through Monday. I do see isolated showers returning to the area Tuesday of next week, and it's going to get progressively wetter as we move into August. So the weather pattern is going to start to change a little bit, and so the farmers that are trying to harvest the cotton really need to get after it because the rain is coming, but they still have about a 10-day window.